In this video, I will guide you on how to fix YouTube videos not playing. If YouTube videos are not playing or keeps on buffering, then the first thing you want to do is close the YouTube app completely. Open App Switcher and swipe it off from your recent apps as well. Now launch open YouTube and check if that fixes your issue. If it does not, then you want to check your internet connection. Slow internet connection can cause buffering issues, so you want to test your internet speed. Then you simply want to open up your web browser and go to any internet speed testing website and test the speed. If internet is the issue, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. Next thing you want to do is clear the app cache. For that, tap and hold on YouTube app, then tap on this app info icon. Now you want to tap on the storage option, then tap on clear cache. After that, head back. Now tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Next, you want to update the app. For that, tap on Play Store or App Store. Then here you want to search for YouTube. Now, if you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Now launch open YouTube and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.